Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable the dark mode in Windows 10. I promise you that video gotta be a very quick tutorial how to enable it, and it won't be a complicated one, so watch it all the way till the end to learn how to do it. So first open Windows settings from here, from Windows Searcher, type settings like this, and now click on personalization from here. Now click on colors, and from here we have this option, choose your color. So now when you click on it, we can choose the dark mode. Also you can make it custom, but we want to enable the dark mode, right? So just click on dark, wait a few seconds, and as you can see now our theme is dark. Yeah, and guys, that was it, how to enable the dark mode in Windows 10. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitant to leave your problems, your questions about that, how to, if you have some problems of course, in the comments, and in a few days I'll try to respond if I can. Yep, so that was it. See you next video. Bye.